All right, so first lab. We're going to do a lab on observation and inference. So what's going to happen is you want your paper that looks like that. It says observation and inference on it. And what we're going to do is I have 5 boxes over here, and we're going to make observations about them. So you're going to make some observations about them right there. And then you're going to try to guess or make an inference about what's inside the box. And then you're going to mention what senses you're able to use for that. All right, now, the first one is, it's not really a box, but it's this thing right here. And we want to guess, we want to figure out what's inside of it, all right? Now, it wouldn't be any fun for me just to do it for you. So we're going to find some stray walker by to help us out with this lab. Let's see if I can find someone. You, sir, come over here.
Oh, hey, how's it going, everybody? I literally was just walking by and
Guys, I literally dragged him out of the hallway.
Yeah, I did not want to come in. Okay,
all right.
So if you don't mind, I'll start making some observations.
Okay. So first up, how would you describe the? Or first, you could just show the colors.
So yep. So we're looking at white for a color here. So I'm looking at it. I see that it's a white substance. If I, just start making some more observations, I'll put a little bit in my hand here. Feeling it on my skin, kind of rough, little sharp edges, powdery. And you know what? With your permission, Mr. Shymkiw, I would like to sample this. Is that something we can do?
Sure.
It's not poisonous. All right, so I'll do a quick mask break here, face the other direction, and do a little. I must say that tastes very good. Sweet.
A sweet. So a sweet as opposed to a salty.
As opposed to a salty. Yeah, I would go with definitely sweet.
Sweet flavor to that. Okay.
Sweet flavor, yep. So, I think they have a lot to go on. Anything else you'd like me to investigate?
With that one, I think that one you're okay.
Okay, so we'll go ahead and put this one down.
So that was box number 1. All right. Now, while we have our observer here, we're actually going to jump ahead a little bit, and we're going to go down to box number 4. All right. So box number 4 is this box right here. All right. This box right here is box number 4. All right. So a few things. Well, we'll let you try to make some observations about it.
Okay.
All right. So first off, how would you describe
It's quite light. I would say it's very light.
All right.
Yep. So looking at just that, so it's light. It's got some holes in the top, which makes me
holes in top.
Questioning the holes in the top of the box, but we'll go with it. The
kind of holes you might put in a box if there was like a small animal or
a living thing.
Yeah.
That requires some sort of air for
to breathe in. Yeah.
Yeah. So okay.
So keep that in mind because you don't want to.
I don't want to kill it. Okay. So don't shake the box.
Well, you can give a shake a box.
Can I shake?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, shaking the box. May I?
No.
Oh. Okay. So yeah. So we got the holes in it. I'd say it's quite light.
Now, can you really see anything?
I can't see anything.
You really can't see anything.
I mean, I want to look inside the holes, but I don't think I should be doing it.
No, you probably shouldn't.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't see anything.
Now, what could you, with those holes in the box there, what could you do if you wanted to kind of figure out what's in there? What might help you figure out what's in there?
So what could I do next to look in? I would want to look in, or give it a little bit of a poke, maybe.
Yeah, you might use a little thing to extend your sense, or an instrument.
Are these bamboo?
Sure.
Okay, so I'd like to. I guess I want to go ahead and put it right in and lift it up a little bit. Seeing. Okay, now I'm feeling something with the extended instrument. Vocab word. And so I feel something. It's moving around. Okay. It's a plastic. Something.
Is it hard or is it soft or?
I feel a little bit of a soft, squishy.
It's squishy.
I'm concerned.
Like maybe the critter died.
Oh no!
Oh no!
What did you do, Mr. Shymkiw?
Oh, all right. So how about if you kind of poke around, how about the shape? Is it round, or does it have kind of a squarish shape to it?
I'm feeling all the different holes here. Kind of doesn't have too sharp of edges that I feel. What is this? What is this squishy substance in here?
Well, would you say it's round in shape, or do you think it's more like a rectangle shape?
I'm trying to ascertain the shape right now, and I'm going to be cheating here. Rounded? No good.
No.
Man, shape is hard to. Okay, rectangular.
It's rectangular.
It's rectangular because, and I see it now. It's got the edges and the sides. Okay, we got a rectangular, like a bag of some sort.
Squishy rectangular solid, perhaps in a bag.
I hear that. I'm hearing the plastic kind of scrunching up there. Okay.
All right.
May I?
Oh no, I'll tell you later.
Oh.
We'll
Okay.
come back. We'll come back to that later. But we're just grateful for the short time we had with the stray walker by here.
Can I go to the bathroom now?
Yeah.
Thank you.
After tasting that stuff, you might want to.
Hey, good luck, guys.
All right. Now that he's out of here. All right. All right. So that's so we did box 1 was the powder. Box 4 was the kind of rectangular squishy thing. All right. Box 2. All right. Box 2 is this box right here. All right. And things I'll tell you about this box is weighs maybe about a pound or so. And I really can't see anything, but a key thing here is going to be the sound. All right, so when I go back and forth this way, all right. However, when I go this way, it's got a completely different sound. So this way versus this way. All right. All right. Doesn't really have any other features. Those are the two main things. I'm telling you, it's weighing about a pound, and the rest of it you can kind of get by the sound of it. All right. So that's box number 2. All right. Box number 3. All right. This one here, box number 3. All right. Making a sound like that. All right. This one's pretty light, just a few ounces. So things you may want to consider making your observations about this box. Does it sound like it's rolling, or does it sound like it's sliding? That kind of give you an idea about the shape of it, perhaps. All right. So there's box number 3. All right. Moving on. All right, going to box number 5. All right, box number 5 is over here. All right, box number 5, you have something in a white beaker. All right. And that's all you're going to see of it right there is just that. All right. So based on what you got right there, all right, try to guess what that is. All right, so 1 was the powder. 2 was the one. 2 was this guy. 3 was this guy. 4 was the one that had to poke around it. And 5 was the one right there. All right. So, for each box, we made the observations, or you made the observations. So inference is what you think is inside of the boxes. What you think is inside of the boxes. And lastly, what senses did you use while you were making your inference, making your observations? All right. Give people a moment there. All right. And what do you think? And what we'll do is, because I'm a swell guy, I will tell you what's now in each of the boxes and see how well you did. You do not need to change your answer here. Again, this is what your inference was. You didn't know exactly what was in the box. This is just your inference. So you don't need to go back and change it. This is just for your own curiosity, what's in here. All right, so the first container, this one right here, while it is actually in what's normally considered a salt shaker, I was tricky and I put sugar in there. So that is sugar, all right, just regular table sugar, which you like put in your coffee right there, all right? So number 1 was sugar. All right, number 2. All right, so things we noticed. All right, you listen to the sound of it, kind of sounds like it's rolling back and forth. All right, but when I go this way, it doesn't roll. This way, it kind of slides back and forth. This way, it rolls back and forth. All right, so something that would roll one way and then slide the other way would be a cylinder type shape. And you could tell that when I did this, it didn't really move that much. So it's going to be a cylinder shape that's close to the size of the box there. And that works out to be a can of coffee. All right, can of coffee. So that was box number 2. All right. Box number 3. All right, so for this one, listen to this. I said it was pretty light. Listening to the sound of it,